Hi, I'm Lauren at LSP Actions. Welcome to this super quick edit using the Hallmark presets in Evoto. Beautiful newborn Christmas image on my screen by Kat. Thank you so much, Kat, for sending this one in. So the first thing you do with any of our presets is you set your white balance and your own exposure in the image. The presets won't touch that, so you can have absolute freedom over doing that. And then the next thing you do, you can watch the main tutorial for this. This is just a quick overview, is to choose one of the all-in-one presets. So I'm just clicking through these. That's Hallmark. Which one should we use? Snowball is great for white backgrounds. I think Snowball is good. And you'll notice these presets also do a skin edit, so before and after. And you can just select and choose the other images in your gallery and sync this across. For this image, I think what I'm going to do, and just to be picky, and you can of course do this in Photoshop too, is just use the healing brush a little bit on these areas, just to kind of, you know, just tidy up a little bit. We've also got patch tool as well. Ooh, so I'm just going to select the area and drag that to replace the texture. And we're done. I think I might just zoom in a little bit. And let's just do a quick manual cleanup here. You can use Evoto's background options for this, but I find sometimes if you've got other elements and items on your background or something like a wood grain, you might not want Evoto to clean that up. And hit OK. It's just a couple of little bits anyway, it's all done. A little bit here as well. I think I'm just gonna just come in there and use the patch tool. And there's me getting fiddly now, isn't it? But I think it's really good sometimes to see how other people are working with this kind of thing, because it might be exactly how you do it, or it might be a different way. Okay, that's just applying and we're done. And you can batch these settings across your gallery. So there we have before and after. And that's using the Hallmark Evoto presets, available at lsp-actions.com. Beautiful image by Kat. Thank you.